I've been working on my family squad a lot. It's got automatic clutch and automatic transmission. Yeah, I think the problem with this is that it needs its carb cleaned out because there's no combustion period. So yeah, I'm going to take that out and clean that up. And I'm just going to show you real quick how you do that. First order of business is going to be to take that seat off. For this, I just have a little lever underneath here, and it should pop up. Let's see. Okay, I'm going to have to do this often. Oh, never mind. There we go. Next thing is the air filter. That's right here. Now, you could undo all those screws, but you don't need to. There's just 4 clips here. That one's already undone. One here and one here. Just pop those off. That clip off. And your carb is right down in there. This air filter piece is held on by a bolt there and a bolt over here. I'm going to go ahead and pull this off, and then I'll show you the carb clearly. Okay, I got the 2 bolts. Now I should just have this should just pop out. There's your carb. Just clamped on with the screw down in there. The clamp up and carb popped right off. Now, next thing is to get some of these linkages off. Like all ATVs and quads and dirt bikes, they have a whole ton of linkages. I need to get all those off. Okay, back in my shop. Here's my carb. There's the bowl. This is where the air filter pops on. This is where the plunger goes. And this attaches to the engine. Okay, this is, I believe, gas right there. Yeah. Chokes back there. And the rest of these pipings are just drain tubes. Okay, so I'm going to open this up and show you how to clean it out. Okay, to open this up, we just got 4 little screws here, 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 and here. And this big bolt. Okay, real quick, I'm just going to show you how this works. Here is my 2 floats, and those are going to control this valve right here. So this is a needle valve, and as are like all engines. And when this is down, that means the floats are down because they hold this, and that means that it lets more gas in. See the needle there? It'll let more gas in if that's down. This is from upside down, so it would be like that. So when the floats rise, because of more gas entering into the bowl, then it pushes up this and closes the needle valve, and that's just how it regulates it. So if you look at this, it has a bit of buildup and gas and whatnot, so I'm going to have to clean it out. Okay, went to Napa, got a couple of rounds of carb cleaner and some WD-40, so yeah, so what I'm doing here is just spraying carb cleaner through both of the holes. Now I'm just going to put it back together. Before lining up the plunger, you have to line up those notches on the engine when you go into the carburetor. So yeah, make sure you got everything lined up and press it down. And make sure it works before you do that, or else, yeah, it'll start off full gear, even full throttle.